Hey, welcome back to Weenie Trades. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down GameStop, AMC, LULU, and Tesla. So let's get right into the video. GME, GameStop, reported earnings today, had a $30 expected move. So that's represented by these yellow boxes. That's the upper $30 level, and this is the lower $30 level. What does that mean? Well, most of the time we're going to stay inside this range. That's usually what the options market is saying based off the expected move. However, every once in a while, we start to get outside that expected range, and if we hold outside the expected range, we can really start to gamma squeeze, whether it to be the upside or to the downside. So marking 230 and 170, I do have a slight bearish tilt on GameStop and on AMC. So I am expecting a little bit of lower prices. The way I'm going to trade it tomorrow is I'm going to be looking for short setups on kickback rallies. So we'll waiting for it to pop. Short the kickback rally, place the stop loss above the highs, and then let it go. So that's my plan with GameStop and AMC moving forward. But if GameStop really starts to get above, 230, then we could see that breakout. Otherwise, there's a potential dip buy on GameStop at that 170 level. If we come right screaming into 170, that could be the dip buy. Although I'm going to be leaning a little bit more bearish on GameStop. Similarly, AMC had a pretty good move this morning, but gave back all of its gains, had a later move, actually traded AMC quite a bit today. AMC was pretty interesting today. We catch the morning breakout, peel profits into the highs, grab the dip, shaken out. Okay, now, later in the day, AMC, we break out, we start to pull back. As we start to go higher, boom, buy AMC, stop loss goes just underneath there. Boom, peel profits. And the reason I'm selling it in front of 50 is because I didn't think AMC would ever get above 50 again. And based off right now, I still think AMC may never get above 50 again. That's really close up here, and that's a pretty bold statement. And the reason for that is we have this ascending triangle. Everybody sees the pattern, higher lows, flat top. We broke out of it today, yay, but we did not get the volume breakout. That was one of the criteria that was needed for AMC to have really good continuation and dig up into the 54 to 55 area. Since we did not have that volume, that's why I'm taking a stance. It might be a little bit more bearish. Again, my analysis is dynamic. So is the market. So maybe AMC is gapping up over 50 tomorrow. Great. That's awesome for the bulls. AMC could get a move up to that 53 level. If AMC is gapping down though, looking for some support down there at 44, but potentially a lot lower prices on AMC. So since GameStop reported its earnings, GameStop is inside its expected move. So it's expected to do more, and it's still within that move. That means that option sellers won for GameStop. But on Lululemon, Lulu had a big outsized move to the upside. And it was expected to only do a $20 expected move, but Lulu instead decided to just rocket ship up and, go from 380 up to 430. So $50. So that means that it did $30 more than the expected move. That gives a huge edge to purchasers of calls. So anybody that bought calls, they're going to make a ton of money on Lulu, given Lulu opens tomorrow at this price of $429. So Lulu, tomorrow, if we're holding above the old all-time high, 417.80, that would be bullish. That's bullish. That would be a potential dip buy if Lulu comes back into 417 area. 417, 418 area. Otherwise, Lulu, still bullish as long as it's above 402, but it's unlikely that Lulu's going to give up all of those gains. The all-time high breakout setup is one of my most favorite setups just because of the clean continuation that it tends to have. So bullish on Lulu. We'll see what kind of trades I can have on it tomorrow at Weenie Trades Live. Tesla had another continuation day today as it gapped up and ripped higher. And as it ripped higher, I said in Weenie Trades Live, this breakout is likely to fail because it's extended. Extended breakouts tend to fail because yesterday Tesla had a nice good run higher. So if it ran all day yesterday, what's the chances that it runs all day today? It certainly could. It's Tesla. Love the stock, but Tesla likes to give up its gains. We got short-term paper hands, and that's okay because I'm one of them most of the time. So Tesla zigzagged down all day and recovered right off the lows. What was the low of the day? 741. Did you watch yesterday's video? So the dip buy on Tesla is 741. Now, I just need to follow my own words and take the action myself because I didn't take the dip buy at 741. I took this little flag setup right here at 746. But anyways, Tesla, is it bullish or bearish? Well, we broke out and we held the former breakout area. So Tesla moved higher, bull flag pop, and we've just back tested the former breakout area and proved it as support. But since we've already back tested the former breakout area and proved it as support, are we going to make new highs is the question now? And press into the 780s, 790s, or 800s? I don't know just yet. It really determines on what the QQQ ETF is up to. So the Qs, kind of the same thing. We made new all-time highs. Today we sell off, but we're still intact within the flag pattern. So we're still making a bull flag on the Qs. So is it to the bulls or is it to the bears with the false breakout? Time will tell, but Tesla, it's bullish as long as it holds that 741. And even if it comes down, Tesla has room down to the 735s. It just may need longer to continue on higher. Remember, Tesla is still kind of zigzagging, and Tesla might continue to zigzag for quite some time. So Tesla, bullish, really bullish above these 730s in the longer term, but short-term bullishness underneath, it needs to hold that 741 level. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the recap of GameStop, AMC, LULU, Tesla. Today was actually a red day for me in terms of trading. The P&L doesn't really matter, but more so is a little bit frustrating that I was right on terms of the direction on all of the trades, but they just happened to hit the stops first. So that's something that I need to work on. I've never claimed to be the best trader in the world. I will toot my own horn in saying that I'm a very good analyst and charter, but I'm still a developing trader, probably like most of you. But I'm going to strive to get better each and every week as best as I can. And I'm always open to feedback. I have open ears. I'm not going to be closed-minded. And on that note, hopefully you guys are doing well. Again, let's just get ready, hit the reset, and let's have some really good trading day. Let's have a really good trading day tomorrow. All right, you guys. See ya.